How's it going, guys? It's Lewis, Dad Makes Dough, and in today's video I'm going to show you 6 different ways that you can make money through Amazon without actually owning, selling, shipping any products whatsoever. So don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new around here, and let's get into the video. Right, so have you subscribed and have you liked this video? So if you've done all those, we can get started. So first thing that I'm going to mention is, you've probably heard about it, but there'll be some key factors in this video that you won't have mentioned, you won't have heard of, or you might not have thought of. And so don't forget to stay tuned. So first one is Amazon Associates. So it's like Amazon affiliate. So essentially Amazon have an affiliate program. You've probably heard it before, but it's quite low margin. So it's like 2-3%. However, it can be quite a lucrative model because Amazon is like the biggest marketplace online. So people are always buying from Amazon regardless. You don't have to drive traffic to Amazon because people know Amazon, people are trusting with Amazon. But you could recommend products like I've done in the past on your socials, like Instagram, YouTube videos, stuff like that, what you're using for like your setup. And you just want to get as many eyes as you can onto the Amazon platform for yourself. So how I would do this is, in some of my videos, I have links to like certain products that I've bought, certain products that I use, whether it be tripod, computer, mouse. For instance, with Amazon FBA, I've got a barcode scanner. But what the cool little tip is, if someone clicks on your link, even if they don't buy anything at that moment, you take a commission of whatever they purchase on Amazon if they come back within 24 hours. So if they clicked on it now, say it's 5 o'clock, providing they make a purchase on Amazon within 24 hours, so 5 o'clock the following day, you're going to get that commission. So if you've recommended, say, a monitor, they don't actually buy that monitor, but they go on later on and buy a hot tub, you're going to get that percentage. You're going to get commission from that hot tub, and it'll be under other products bought. You know, people could do, say, the full shop or like their Amazon pantry shop. You'd get that commission providing they go and click and buy something else within 24 hours. So what this model is called affiliate marketing. If you aren't familiar with affiliate marketing, and you probably should be if you're a fan of my channel and you've been on my channel a while, I'll link a video here on how you can get started, a beginner's guide. It's a beginner's guide to affiliate marketing with no upfront cost, nothing like that. You don't have to spend money on ads or anything like that. It's how I got started affiliate marketing completely for free, just by using my time instead of money to get started. So go check that out because I won't explain it all in this video. Right, so number 2 is Amazon Flex. So if you've ever had a parcel delivered by Amazon, usually it comes by Amazon or an Amazon Flex worker. Now, what Amazon Flex is, it's like a flexible working job for delivering. You don't need a van, you don't need anything like that. Literally, all you do is download the Amazon Flex app, sign up, submit some documents, and then what you can do is you can start delivering parcels for Amazon. So you go and pick a slot, say it's later on after work, after you finish work, or it's on a weekend or something. You go to your local depot where you collect those parcels, and then you go out and deliver them. You don't need a van, you can do it in your car or anything like that. And Amazon like to pay at least roughly between £13 and £15 per hour. And that obviously is dependent on how quickly you deliver them, how many deliveries you have, how long it takes. There's a lot of factors to take into account, but it's a good little side hustle if it's something that you're going to do. Literally delivering parcels, and a lot of the time it's in your local area. Probably couldn't do it as a full-time job just because of the time slots, but it's great to work around if you work in a normal 9-to-5 job. Right, so the next one is going to be selling your deals, so your Amazon FBA arbitrage deals. And how this works is you find a deal, with that being, say, Argos or Tesco or something, and it's a product that's selling for £5 in there on clearance. But if you sell it on Amazon, it goes for £15, so you're making profit on it. Instead of you going and spending hundreds of pounds on getting that product, packaging it, sending it up to Amazon, waiting for the sales and putting that initial investment up front, what you'll do with that is you'll sell that deal to a deal sheet provider. And what a deal sheet provider is, a program or a company that'll have a database of all these deals for Amazon sellers, so they don't have to look for those deals. They'll pay like a monthly subscription to it and they can find it. So if you click the link in my description to online arbitrage deals, it's called, and it's a deal sheet provider. If you click that link, scroll down to the bottom and click deal arbitrage, and sign up. What you'll do is you'll get paid £10 for every deal that you provide them with. It's just got to have 3 key factors. It's got to be at least £3 profit per item. It's got to have at least it's got to have at least a 30% return on investment, a 40% BBP score. It's also got to have at least 10 sales per month in order for it to be accepted into the deal finder. You'll get paid £10 for every one, and this is via PayPal every month. This is a good little side hustle that you can do if you like shopping online. You're finding these deals, as simple as that. Literally go online, find these deals, send them in. You can make money passively then, just by having these deals getting sent across. So don't forget to check out online arbitrage deals, which is pretty cool. And if you're not familiar with the Amazon FBA business model, I'll leave a few links to some of the videos that I've made to show you and just give you a little bit more of a visual on what actual Amazon FBA is, like online deals and arbitrage deals and stuff like that. Right, so next one what we've got is called Merch by Amazon. So if you're familiar with print on demand and how it works, Merch by Amazon is essentially, in a nutshell, a business like a print on demand business. You design, say, a t-shirt or a hat or something like that, and then you take your design, put it on a t-shirt, and Amazon do all the printing, the selling, the shipping, and you get paid like a small profit in between. They do everything, you just submit that design. So when customers order your design, it'll get made by Amazon, sent and shipped to them, and then you keep that profit in between. And because it's already on Amazon, it's a massive global marketplace, so there's going to be eyes on your product. I know a few people personally who've done Merch by Amazon and successfully made quite a lot of money. It's just something, you know, you get what you put in. So if you give it a try, you know, don't be disheartened if it doesn't work the first time. Having one design isn't going to work. You need to have 10, 20, 30 different designs, which means you've got 30 different chances of getting some eyes on your design and getting some money and getting some sales. So print on demand is a big business. I'll leave all these links below so you can get started as well. I'll leave these links in the description, and that one is Merch by Amazon. Right, following on, we've got Amazon Turk or Mechanical Turk, and what that is, Mechanical Turk's a global outsourcing software, outsourcing workforce even. And what that means is companies will post little intermittent jobs on there, like market research, filling in surveys, you know, testing a website, testing a product, and it's to test these services before they'll go live and to make sure that they're perfect. And what these companies will do is they'll pay you to do that. A lot of these jobs can range from a few pence to 10, 20, 30, 40 pound. It all really depends on the length. And the longer that you use Mechanical Turk, the more trustworthy and the more rapport you build on that site, you'll be able to unlock better deals. You'll be able to get better paid deals like testing websites or doing surveys and stuff like that. It's not like other survey sites. This one is a lot more high paying, especially when you get to the further end of it and you've used it for a while. Definitely check out Mechanical Turk, it's cool. And the final way to make money on Amazon is to invest in the stock market. Now, I personally put some investments into Amazon back in 2020, roughly. Yeah, so I put some investments into Amazon roughly in May 2020 when it was about $122 per share in Amazon, and then that got sold then in July 2021, and I think it hit roughly about $180 a share, and I only kept that for a small amount of time. Looking back, I wish I'd have kept it for much longer, but unfortunately not. Obviously, when investing, there is going to be risks. There's always risks when it comes to investing. However, only ever risk or put into shares or anything really what you can afford to lose 100%. Like, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not going to give you financial information, but I would recommend, you know, putting some money and savings into stocks and shares, me personally, and that's what I do. If you do want to get into shares in the stock market, I use something called free trade, and what free trade is, it's 0% commission on shares and trades. And if you want to sign up, if you click the link in my description below, you can sign up for a free account, input £1 into that account to activate it, and then you will get a free share, 100% free share worth between £3 and £200, and it's completely at random. So you could even, just by putting your £1 up, you could get a share in Amazon. Or not only that, you could put money into Amazon from £1 and just use that free share that I've give you. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for the more videos that are coming in the near future. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.